Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. Yeah, Solana is currently, again, still under pressure. I think that shouldn't be a surprise given that the price is still holding below our resistance area, which is here between 142 and $146.66. This is our resistance area for wave 4. Just want to highlight we might see an extended wave 4. That's quite typical for weekends. If that's playing out, then we should start to see wave C to the upside from here. But if there really is a decisive break below the 135.80 level, which is the Friday low, we might already be in the next leg down in wave 5 towards 129 to $120. Okay, so it's still, I mean, this is the overall support area. Basically, there is no confirmed low until we see a 5-wave rally above resistance. The $120 area, 121, 122, that is an ideal target area for this pullback, just based on Fibonacci extensions, where we can track a wave W to the downside, a wave X to the upside, and then the Y wave target area is this. People get, I have to say, really glued to those short-term charts. I mean, honestly, the chart has followed so well the forecast. Yeah, you of course cannot predict every single wave. That would be ridiculous. Don't expect necessarily it really to come to 122 or something, right? We are really close, in my opinion, to potentially ending this correction. At the same time, from what we can see from a probabilities point of view, it should get to 121, and then we can pay close attention to the reaction to that level. If there is a 5-wave move from that region, it might indicate the low is in. Any 5-wave rally would indicate a low is in. Just if it happens now, it would be a little earlier than expected. But we are in this zone from where such a recovery rally should unfold. But then again, to identify targets or narrow down targets more closely, we obviously pay close attention to those nanostructures, right? And I can tell you that it should still go a little lower. One more low at least would be expected in this 5th wave to the downside. What is important is to maintain an overall bullish outlook, is that the price doesn't break and sustain below $109, because a break below that level would be a clear invalidation, not invalidation, but it is the level where probabilities start to shift. I made a video about SUI today. The microstructure looks very similar. Also here we have an overlap between this Fibonacci extension area, which is the ideal target range for the Y wave, and the larger support area. Okay, so from a daily chart point of view, I often tell you the microstructures are really just noise. And you can see that probably, I'd say 80% of this roadmap are fulfilled already, or we might just need that last 4 or 5 pattern here. And then depending on how extended it is, we get to 121 or might just touch 129 and reverse. But as I said, it is the entire sector that's currently correcting, and we have to pay close attention to what Bitcoin is doing as well. So Solana will probably not rally without Bitcoin. But at the same time, they all move in their individual structures. So bottom line is, for now, it stays under pressure. The 3rd wave target area here, which is this micro target area, was reached yesterday. I can remove it now. The 4th wave unfolded. Could it be complete? Absolutely. I think it is similar, in similar proportions to this wave 2, very similar. Can it extend? Yes, it's weekend, so we might see another rally, but that would not change anything. Okay, it wouldn't change anything. As long as we stay below resistance, the pressure is still downward. A rally into resistance is simply another test of resistance. That doesn't change anything, really. Okay, so yeah, I think overall we're just waiting here for signals that a substantial low has formed. I don't expect it yet, but I'm certainly watching the structure in that 5th wave very closely to identify signals that lows have formed. But again, we don't want to necessarily pick the absolute low. That's why we work with zones, because the altcoin sector is just far too volatile to try to pick an absolute low. The microstructures give us guide where we are in a broader, let's say, pattern. So yeah, again, it's not exact science, right? They just give us a guide, basically. So levels should be crystal clear. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, in news and mindset stuff, mindset related content, check out our check out our X profile, Morecryptoonline. Only follow the one with the golden check mark here on X. And yeah, here you can ask questions, comment, share your own charts, whatever you want to do. Check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.